Well, hello there. It's Ina here, and welcome to my art room. Today I will be working on this very simple piece of plywood. It is a bit messed up, but it will get lots of layers. The first one being this brown textured piece of paper. I also crumbled the paper for more texture and also because it relaxes the paper and makes it way easier to work with. For my glue, I am using Mod Podge and plenty of it so that the paper will stick really well. I will also glue it around the edges towards the back. So I want to create some kind of abstract design here. I also want to create lots of different textures using very simple materials. Now, like always with my projects, I don't have a step-by-step plan right from the beginning. And especially in this one, I think it was two steps forward and one step back. But that's part of the journey, which I very much enjoyed. Not every step has to be logical or in perfect order, as long as you enjoy what you're doing and that your end result is satisfying. Now, I like the way it turned out. I hope you will too, and you will also enjoy the process. I will turn you over to some music because it's all very simple. And like always, I will add all the mediums I use, which were lots of different ones. Anything you may need explaining in the captions. And I will talk to you in just a wee bit. Enjoy. Changing the colors of the charms was the last step I took before gluing them into the circles, and here they are. Here is a close-up, and the middle charm says live for today. Everything is dried now and stable. I also, of course, cleaned up the back of my project by adding a piece of fabric and a hanger. Thank you for coming and watching me put this together. I hope there were some ideas included here that inspired you to create something textured, something abstract, something simple like this one. The process was a lot of fun. So I see you soon again with my next video, latest by next Friday. Stay well and creative, and bye bye for now.